Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on Etsy account. To change your currency on Etsy is super easy. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in etsy.com in the URL box and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Etsy. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are done, go ahead and click on your account drop-down at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Currency drop-down and click on that. Now choose a different currency you want for your Etsy account and click on Save Settings. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your currency on Etsy. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.